Good morning everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Today I am going to take your EVS class, and you all know in EVS which chapter is going on? Yes. In EVS our chapter number 8 is going on. And what is the name of the chapter is? Yes, the name of the chapter is World of Animals. The name of the chapter is World of Animals. Hope you all understood all the concepts we have done in the class. Okay. Now we are going to do the book exercise. Okay everyone. So taken out the quick check. On this page we have to do the book exercise. Okay. Ready? Get ready with the pencil and eraser. Yes. Hope you all have opened the book. Here you can see quick check. It is given on page number 134. Now look at the first question. Yes, what is the first question? How are domestic animals useful to us? Here we have to tell how are domestic animals useful to us. Now write the answer. Domestic animals give us milk, eggs and wool. How they can help us and how they are useful to us? Yes, domestic animals give us milk, eggs and wool. Write it in your book. Hope you all have done this. Now move on. Second question. Why do animals need homes? Why do animals need homes? As I told you in the class now, why we need home? Why do we need home? Yes. Here, look at here. Animals need homes to protect themselves from heat, cold and rain. Look at the question number 3. Name 2 animals that live. Here the homes of animals is given and we have to write the name of 2 animals. Okay. On trees. As I explained you in the class, I think you all know about this. Yes. Who live on trees? Yes. Monkeys and koalas. Monkeys and koalas. Write the name of these 2 animals in your book. Animals who live on trees are monkeys and koalas. Okay, what is the next is in burrow. Who lives in burrow? Rabbits and moles. Rabbits and moles lives in burrow. Okay. Now what is the next? Look at here. In caves. In caves. Who live in caves? Lions and tigers. Lions and tigers. I think you must know about this. Now look at the next. In grasslands. In grasslands. In grasslands who live? Zebras and deer. Zebras and deer live in grasslands. Do this page in your book very carefully. Yes. Now you have to open the next page, that is page number 137. Open the page. Yes. On the page number 137, we are going to do the question number 2. And what is the question number 2? Write the names of the animals which have the following body parts. Here we have to write the name of the animals according to their body parts. Okay. Now look at the A part. Here you can see what is written? Tail. And who have tail? Yes, cow. Who have tail? cow. There are so many other animals also have tail. You can write their name as well. Okay everyone. Now what is the B part? Look at here. Beak. What is the B part? Beak. And owl have beak. Owl have beak. There are some other words also have beak. So you can write the name of those birds. Okay everyone. Now move on the C. Feathers. Who have feathers? All the birds have feathers. You can write their names here. Only one's name you can write here. Here I have written pigeon, but you can write according your choice. Okay everyone. Here I have written pigeon, but you can write according to your choice. Now look at the D part. Tusk. Who have tusk? Elephant. And E is shell. I told you about this. Snail. If you know any other animal who have shell, so you can write the name of that animal here. Look at this. Mane. Who have mane? Lion. Who have mane? Lion. Now pouch. Who have pouch? Yes, kangaroo have pouch. And cock. Who have cock? Yes, cock have comb on its head. Okay. Now move on the question number 3. Name any 2 animals that live in the forest. Here you have to write the name of 2 animals that live in forest. Look at this. What I have written here. Elephant and bear. But you can write the name of the animals according to your choice. Okay everyone. Here I have written elephant and bear. Okay. But you can write according to your choice. Now what is the 4th question? Name any 2 animals that we can keep as pets in our homes. Yes, dog and cat. Dog and cat. We can keep them as a pet in our homes. If you know any other animal, you can write the name of that animal as well. Okay everyone. Hope you all have done this page. If you have not done, do it very neatly in your book. Hope you have done all the pages as we have done in the class. And I have explained you. Hope you all have done the pages. Do these pages in your book very neatly. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care.